Yes.
I challenge myself trying to remember names.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, right now, foot to the floor. Go, go, go. Okay. Just always to the next one. It's going to be on the left. Then after that left, it's going to be a tighter right. You see you can make it as you come out of it, get it down. Now the next one is going to be that right that keeps turning right, that keeps looking to the corner. Now then you're going to have the left, another left, and another left. You're turning right. Right there. That's it. Remember, this is an increasing corner. Make sure you can make it. Keep looking right to the corner. Keep looking through it. There you go. Perfect. Now then you're going to have this left. Then the tight right. Gas it as you come out of it. Next corner is the right. It's going to keep turning back right again. Then the left. The next left. And unfortunately, straight into pit lane. Straight into pit lane between the green cones. Good job. Foot to the floor. Go, go, go. Okay. Have your eyes already looking for the next orange cone, which is going to be to the left around the corner. You come up to that. That next corner is going to be a tight right. As you come out of it, give us the gas. The next one is going to be a right turn. It's going to keep turning back to the right. So keep looking through the corner. Then you're going to have this little jog left. And then another left. Now do another left. You're going to turn right. Right there, Alan. Turn right. As you come through there, keep your eyes looking straight ahead. Give it again. But make sure that you can make this corner. It's a decreasing radius. Keep turning right. As you come out of it, give it gas. There's that orange cone left. And now you got this next right. Tight. Orange right. Give it gas. Next corner is going to be that right turn that keeps turning back into the right. And this time, take the left. And then the next left, and this time straight into pit lane, straight between the green cones into pit lane. Now just sit there at the green. Actually, you can go because that other car came in. Go, go, go. Okay, Allie. How far are you at? It's going to be a left. And then you're going to have that sharper right. As you come out of it, give it gas. And the next corner is going to be the right turn that keeps turning back to the right. You put your right, there's a left, another left, and you're going to do another left, so turn right, come out of there, and wind your steering wheel back down it. Now make sure you can make this corner, it's a decreasing turn, keep looking right. Good, good. Now you're going to have this left, you're going to have the next right, tight right. Give it gas as you come out of this corner. Okay? Now keep looking right and keep turning back right. And you're going to have the left, another left, this time straight in the pit lane between the green cones.
Yeah.
Faster and faster.
Thank you.
Thank you. It always makes my job easier when people have already autocrossed.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And sometimes it's so frustrating to get people to speed up.
Oh yeah. It's you're here to have fun.
I said,
Yeah.
come out of your comfort level.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
care if you hit a cone. I'd rather see you hit a cone but go
Yeah,
faster.
yeah. You learn and you improve.
Sometimes
you
I
know.
tell them, you were going faster at the mall the other day trying to find a parking spot.
True that.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Alright. Right left. And lean right. Back on the gas. Quick. Turn in. Okay, good job. Alright, one right. There you go. One more speed there. We'll call that white car. Alright, go slow down. We're going to come back in the pit. Hold the white car back in the pit. Just like this.